Welcome back. In our last explainer, we got to know Claude. But, talking about something is one thing. Actually doing something is another entirely. So today, we're going to put your new AI assistant to work. Right. It's one thing to chat with an AI, but what we really want is an assistant that can, roll up its virtual sleeves and get stuff done. So let's forget the theory. Let's see how this tool can start tackling your most tedious, time-consuming tasks right now. You know that feeling, right? Your downloads folder is just this digital graveyard of forgotten files. Invoices from 6 months ago, half-finished reports, maybe a dozen documents all named untitled. If your desktop looks like a digital battlefield, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, or how about this one? We have all been there, spending hours squinting at a picture of a receipt or a vendor invoice, manually typing numbers into little cells one by one by one. It's so slow, it's so tedious, and you just know you're going to make a mistake somewhere. And then there's that little pang of dread in your stomach, that frantic scramble to pull data from a spreadsheet over here, a Word doc over there, and some notes you took in a Slack channel, all before a deadline that's breathing down your neck. Sound familiar? Yeah. These are the tasks that just eat up our day. Okay, let's dive into this. So what exactly is Claude Cowork, and how is it any different from the chatbots we're all kind of used to by now? Let's break down the one core concept that changes everything. So here's the crucial point. A standard chatbot describes how to do a task. It might give you the steps, maybe even the right formula for a spreadsheet. But Cowork? Cowork is a total game changer. You give it permission, and it actually does the work on your computer. It reads files, it edits documents, it creates spreadsheets to complete the task. It doesn't just talk about it. So let's start with a problem that I know I struggle with, and I bet you do too. The dreaded downloads folder. For any busy professional, this thing can become a black hole of project files, random documents, you name it. And just look how simple that instruction is. You're not writing code, you're not giving a bunch of complex commands. You just describe the outcome you want in plain English, exactly like you would to a human assistant. You even tell it, hey, check in with me before you do anything permanent. You don't need to be a programmer to use this. You just need to know what you want done. Now, what's so cool about this slide is the transformation. On the left, you've got total chaos. On the right, perfectly sorted folders for documents, images, and spreadsheets with all the files renamed using a nice, sensible convention. I mean, imagine saving hours of work every single month with this one simple command. Months of digital clutter, all sorted out in minutes. Now that is true delegation. Okay, but what if your clutter isn't just about messy file names? What about all those screenshots of invoices and receipts you have scattered around? This next one is an absolute game changer for anyone who manages expenses or has to track data from images. We're talking about turning a pile of digital receipts into actual, usable data without lifting a finger to type anything. And this just brilliantly shows the whole delegate and delight principle. You hand off the most mind-numbing part, the data entry, and you come back to this polished, usable result, a perfectly formatted spreadsheet with all the data pulled out and organized, totally ready for your expense report or your analysis. You delegate the tedious work, and you are delighted with the result. Fixing today's mess is good, but preventing tomorrow's mess is even better. What if we could stop the mess from even happening in the first place? Let's move on and see how this all builds into true automation for those recurring tasks like reporting. Let's talk about putting things on autopilot. This is where Cowork really starts to feel like a member of your team. You just define the task and how often you want it done. Just once. From then on, every single Friday, it checks the dashboard, it pulls the latest numbers, and it updates your report template. I mean, imagine waking up on a Friday morning to find your weekly report already done for you. They literally build themselves. Our workdays aren't always tied to a desk anymore, right? So let's imagine you're on the train home and suddenly you remember a report you need for tomorrow morning's meeting. I have definitely been on that train and had that oh no moment, realizing I forgot to send something important. This is where the magic really happens. By pairing your phone with your desktop app, you can trigger these complex tasks from literally anywhere. Your computer back at the office or at home acts as the engine, while your phone acts as the remote control. It really is like having a remote control for your work life. So you send the command from your phone, back at your desk, Cat wakes up, it opens the files and the apps it needs, and it builds the report. By the time you get in the next morning, that finished file is just sitting there, waiting for you. It's a completely seamless handoff. You can work from anywhere, literally. Now, okay, giving an AI access to do work on your computer, that's a big deal. Powerful delegation requires powerful controls, but handing over the keys requires trust, right? So let's talk about how you stay in the driver's seat. First and foremost, you're in complete control of the workspace. Claude can only see the specific folders you granted access to. If you don't give it permission to see your financials folder, for example, it doesn't even know that folder exists. Think of it like a digital bouncer. You decide who gets in and who stays out. And here's probably the most important safety net. Before taking any big action, like deleting a bunch of files or sending an email, Cowork shows you its plan step by step, and it waits for your go-ahead. There are no surprises. No surprises, no mistakes, just a clear plan that you approve before anything happens. And you can review, change, or just cancel the whole thing at any time. And for team leads and IT admins, this control extends across the whole organization. You can manage who has access to which features, you can control costs, and you can track usage data. So as a team lead, you can make sure that everyone is using the tools safely and effectively without, breaking the bank. So far, we've seen a pretty great general assistant. But what if you work in a specialized field like law or finance? What if you're not a generalist? What if you're a specialist? Well, let's turn your general assistant into exactly that. This is where plugins come in. Think of plugins as pre-training your assistant for these highly specific roles. They bundle up all the unique tools, the terminology, and the workflows of your department, so Cowork is ready to contribute on day one without a long learning curve. It's like hiring a new team member who already knows the ropes. And this just illustrates the concept perfectly. With a legal plugin, Claude already understands what NDA triage is. With a finance plugin, it knows how to handle journal entries and reconciliation. As someone who's had to deal with more than a few NDAs, I can tell you that would be a lifesaver. Instead of starting from scratch, Claude arrives with the domain knowledge for these specialized fields already baked right in. So we've gone from digital chaos to automated control. We've seen how Cowork can organize your files, process your data, build your reports, and even specialize for your industry, all while keeping you firmly in control. You've seen the power of true delegation. So the only question left is, what's that one tedious task that's been holding you back? It's time to delegate it and get back to the work that really matters.